It looks a little sticky. I think I need to wax it. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's still not good enough. It's still too sticky. I gotta add some more. There we go. Yeah. I mean, it looks still sticky, but I'm gonna try a grind and see if it works. I don't know, man. It's still a little sticky. I might have to just wax the ground, dude. I'm not satisfied. Oh, mother.
Oh, don't step on the wheel. Yeah. Hey, are you wearing Vans? Because that was off the wall.
You ready to get our skate on? All right, let's shred. Respect?
That was good. That was good.
Wow.
I mean, at least he wasn't mall grabbing. It's a harsh world, you know? You win some, you lose some, really.
Who is this dude? Bro, it's like 25 degrees. You want to catch pneumonia? Put on a shirt.
Oh, it's hot out here.
He fell right after his run was over. He's got it. Let's go. Carlos Lester, everybody! Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Woo!
butt hit right. Dude, can I skate around?
Just one more second.
Boy, what are those?
I don't need skate shoes to be great.
You good, bro?
Get your camera out of my face, man.
Oh.
He's got a little temper.
Yo, what's up? You got mad skill? What's up with you? Oh my gosh, you see that set of stairs? Oh, I think we could make this into a pole jam. Maybe like a gap over that railroad. Oh, dude, peep this boat. I think we could grind the side of that. Oh my gosh, dude, back tail on this chick's shoes. Oh, dude, this mani pad. This is my jam right here. Oh, wait, hold it right here. Look at this rail. Oh my gosh, dude, look at this bench. Hey, can we skate that bench? Drive.
Dude, you don't want this? Yeah, I definitely lost that one. Alright, last try, I promise. I got it right here.
I want to see everything you got. Better not let me down, Luke. We've been at this for 2 hours. Are you kidding me? You're not even trying.
Dude, that was my camera!
Bro, you're gonna tell your dad? I mean, I think it will still work.
This cost me like $300, dude.
Hey guys, I am so excited today because we are at the Braille skateboard park and we are gonna do some serious shredding, okay? Boom! I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. I'm so excited to have you as part of my team and we're gonna get this, yeah! All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. What stereotype are you or is your favorite or have you seen the most? Leave it in the comments below with the hashtag notification squad, and we'll see you in the next video. Check out all the other videos we have here. You guys will love them. They are an absolute blast. See you in the next video.